to get to meet as many change makers as I can, and coming from different countries. So I'm really interested in tomorrow's workshops, because in smaller groups I'm sure we will have more time to discuss specific issues our countries are facing.
So the interest for me in the first place was to get to know the country of Kazakhstan and to interface with experts from various countries. And I think both are actually working very well. The Kazakh people are incredibly hospitable. We have a really good time here. And next to it, they've managed to get a really broad overview of experts from various fields. So I'm actually quite enjoying to see views from fields which are not my own.
I'm very impressed by the forum. It has given me a very good opportunity to network with people and to discuss e-government with countries outside Europe. So it has been a very beneficial day for me today.